Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in today's episode, I have some great news for you. I know most of you have been wondering when will diversity visa for 2023 applications will start. So application is now open for 2023 diversity visa program. So apply USA green card. But you might wonder, when can I be able to apply? When will be the state government open their website for official registration? So the application period for the diversity visa for 2023 opens at noon Eastern Daylight Time, that is EDT, on a Thursday, October 7th, 2021. So I strongly encourage DV program entrants to try and apply early. And important information for intending applicant is as follows. First thing, you have to know that applying is free of charge. You will not be required to pay even a single dollar. There is no fee to enter the diversity visa program. So if anybody tries to fool you to pay them so that they will apply for you, that is not necessary, because consultants are not necessary. So the US Embassy recommends against using a consultant to assist you with your application. Please consider using a family member, a friend, or other trusted person if you need assistance. Or you can go to the cyber cafe and make sure you are present when they help you apply for it. Remember, no application fee. You only charge the people will only charge you for the internet they will be using and their time, but no fee at all is required while applying. Application is totally free. No matter who provides assistance, you are solely responsible for your own application. So make sure you are present and enter together with whoever is helping you so that we give them the right details. The third important information you need to know if you are intending to apply, apart from knowing that applying is free, no consultants are needed, remember, apply online. Entries for the 2023 Diversity Visa Program must use the electronic diversity visa entry form, that is EDV, at www.dvlottery.state.government during the registration period. So I will put the link to the website on the description box. So do well to check. Another very important thing you need to know before you apply, or if you are intending to apply, is entire family should be included on application. So if you're a married woman or a married man and you have a family, make sure you include the entire family. Whether they are adopted children or they are your biological children, make sure you include them. So when registering, you must list your spouse too. Don't remember, not only children. List your spouse and all of your unmarried children under the age of 21 at the time of application. Submissions without the inclusion of family members will make your entry invalid. The next thing you need to know is that only one application per person is allowed. You may submit only one application. So if you do a double entry, maybe you finish and send it, and you might think that you forgot important details. If you mess it up and apply again, you put two entries, you will automatically be disqualified and you want to get your visa. So only may remember one application is allowed. Applicants who submit more than one will be disqualified from consideration. The next thing you should remember, or you should observe keenly, is to submit a recent photo. So entries submitted with the same photo from previous DV years will be disqualified. Be sure to precisely follow the photo rules on the website and associate each photo with the correct person on your application. And please note that applicants may not wear glasses in their photos unless under specific condition, if you cannot totally do with your glasses. And make sure that your photos should be taken 6 months old. It should be more than 6 months from the time of your application. And another important thing you should take note of, apart from the ones I've mentioned, is that valid and expired passport information is required. So this year's entries must include the primary applicant's passport number, a country of issuance, and the passport expiration date. So if your passport is expired, you will be disqualified. So make sure it is at least valid, and make sure also that you enter the number, the insurance country, and expiration date as per the requirement while you are entering. And last but not least, be sure to print and save your confirmation number. So after you have done with your application you've submitted, a pop-up window with a confirmation number telling you your entry has been submitted successfully will come up. So this number is the only way to check your statuses later in next year when the result will be out. So make sure to print it and save it with you safely, and don't share. Another thing is never give your confirmation number to anyone. It's a secret and anybody can use it against you. So make sure you keep it by yourself, the printout safely until the following year. And lastly, remember that the only method of determining whether you are selected for DV is by entering your confirmation number. So that is why you need to keep it, because come May 8, 2022, the results will be out and you will need this confirmation number on the status entry check page on the diversity visa on the state government DV website to check whether you are selected for further processing or you are not selected. So only way you will know that you are selected or not is by entering your confirmation number at www.dvlottery.state.government on or after May 8th, 2022. So make sure you keep it safely. And state government will never send any emails or other mails to anyone claiming that you won. Make sure you know that that is scam. The only way to know whether you've been selected is through the entry status check on the state government website, and that is why you need to keep your confirmation number very safe with you. So the next thing is entrants must provide an email address as a part of their entry. You will see that when you're entering. However, there is no email notification which will be sent to selectees informing them that they have won. So the only way you will know, as I have said, is to check later on next year on the status entry check on the DV website, the state government website, with your confirmation number. So if you receive any email that congratulations, you've been selected or you've won a green card, make sure you know that one is a scam and do not trust such mail. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you know the photo requirements. Apart from the passport, you need to have a valid passport because you will need a passport number, and you cannot have a passport number if you don't have a passport. So make sure you have it, or if you're yet to receive it from immigration department in your country, wait patiently and use it to enter. You also need a photo, an electronic photo. So make sure you take a photo with a background which is white. You know that already by now. And the photo specifications should meet all the diversity visa photo specification requirements. If you fail to follow those instructions, it will make you to be disqualified and you'll be denied a visa. So make sure you follow the instruction to the letter. Make sure you have your digital photo ready with you with the white background and all the specifications which are required met. Then the only way you can know whether your photo is the right dimensions and the good lighting and the background, go to the diversity visa, rather the state government website. There is a photo tool there which is free. You can use it to check whether your photo met all the requirements needed for a diversity visa photo requirement, and that tool is free. You can use it. So if your photo doesn't reach, it will automatically tell you that it didn't meet all the requirement. But if it met the requirement, all the best for all the applicants. So this application will go from the first week of October, as I have said, to the last week of November. So make sure you try and enter as early as possible. And remember, we said whether you enter early or late, it's a lottery. So there is no guarantee that if you enter early, you will win, or if you enter late, you will not win. So just enter during the specified period of time. And I wish you all the best. Follow instructions, speak the truth, don't lie, and leave the rest to the system, because it is a random selection. It is a diversity lottery, as the name suggests. So all the best. I wish you good luck, and I hope to see you in our next episode. So do well, subscribe to our channel, subscribe, turn on that bell so that you will be notified when we post our next video. So in our next episode, I will show you all the steps you need to follow. Make sure you follow them, and all the do's and the don'ts, and much more. So stick around, stay tuned, and bye bye.